Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most unique products. Today, we have something special for all the DIY lovers out there, especially those who adore Sailor Moon, the premium resin moon mold bundle. This incredible kit is perfect for creating your very own wind bell chimes, and it's considered by many as the best Sailor Moon resin mold, offering both quality and creativity in one package. This mold set includes everything you need to start your crafting adventure. Inside the box, you'll find a high-quality silicone moon mold, a pendant mold with various shapes, and 2 coils that are ready for you to assemble your very own custom wind chimes. The molds are made from premium silicone, ensuring they are soft, durable, and reusable, which makes them easy to work with and clean after each use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, this mold set is perfect for everyone. The process is simple and fun. Begin by adjusting the glue ratio and adding your favorite decorative elements like beads, sequins, dried flowers, or anything that fits your style. Pour the resin into the molds, and after it solidifies completely, simply remove the item and add the coil to hang it. You'll have created a beautiful, personalized wind chime that's not only a work of art but also a meaningful gift for friends or family. What makes this kit even better is that it is ideal for all ages, so it's great for children and adults alike. It's a wonderful bonding activity for families, or if you're looking to spend some quality time alone, it's a perfect way to relax and express your creativity. And if you're looking for a perfect gift, this DIY wind chime is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Imagine gifting someone a handmade wind chime that's truly one of a kind. They'll love it. So, whether you're a fan of Sailor Moon or just someone who enjoys crafting, this premium resin moon mold bundle is an amazing kit to have in your collection. It's fun, creative, and offers endless possibilities for crafting your very own unique creations. Don't miss out on this great DIY experience, and if you love resin crafting, be sure to check out this wonderful product on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time on Product Critique.